Okay, back here again with Ravi Sandhu's repair shop. We was talking about the starter repair on 2005 Honda CR-V, and let's get started and open it up and see what is going on. Okay. Safety is always good. Keep your hands clean. Okay, so you need flat screwdriver, ratchet, maybe Phillips, plier, and 5/16, and some other tools. There's a lot. As we go along, and some sandpaper, and this is the new part. So on this starter, this is the issue right here. It's a brand new part. If you need one, you can buy one from dealers. It's very expensive, or you can contact me. I'll get you a good price. And some other things. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have. So there's only 2 bolts. That's holding the whole assembly. Opening part is not that bad, but once you're putting everything back, that's the hard part. So they're both pretty long. Just beside this hose. And you just basically kind of tab, lose the rust, and you take this out. You hold the armature inside. That's the first part. It's always good to just, because this unit itself is kind of could be disattached inside. So maybe I'll give it a try. You can use a box. You can make it a tool just to kind of hold it, because if you put it here, it will jiggle all over the place. Let's see, you can push and see if you can take this out there, like so. You can look at inside. It looks clean, doesn't look dirty. So this is assembly. And the next thing you can do is you can take this out. As you can see, put beside. And as you can see here, the brushes are in pretty bad shape. They're like almost gone. It's like about 10%, I would say, left. It still starts, but it gives you a hard start. So there's like a tiny screw. You take that out. You juggle to take this out. Okay. So this is kind of tricky thing. Is grabbing it from the bottom and it goes inside the thing. So let's take this out and see what we have in here. Okay. We have this out. Well, looks like somebody have repaired this before. I just bought this SUV not long ago. As you can see, this is somebody did the trick. That's good. This comes out. There's a tiny spring, and there's a piece. When you crank this piece, joint from one side, from other side to one side. Like when you crank your engine, what happened is there's a power coming from this side, power stays here, and when you do the self, this gives power to other side and it becomes make this thing to touch, so power goes through here from here to there and start the engine. Okay. Okay, there you are. This is what we are replacing. This is the old one, bad one. Okay. Now, there's some gears. When this moves from this side too. So you take those out. It's a good thing to clean them. This thing comes out, you can take this thing out, put this side. So what you have to do is you have to get through this thing. It's attached to the other way. So what you do is take a plier, make sure don't ruin the teeth, kind of juggle, shake a little bit, shake it. Okay, I'll bring one more tool. Okay, it's almost coming out. Make sure you hold it properly. And shake it, shake it. Tap it. As you can see, it's coming out, it's coming out. It's almost out. Okay, perfect. There you are. There's another piece. Put this side. Even you have to take this out. It's very tiny plastic piece in here. So you do the same thing. You can use as Allen key. Shake it, shake it. Make sure don't break it. If you break this, and you're in trouble. You have to get the whole new plastic bracket. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to get to this piece. This piece has to be taken out and changes to new one. Okay. It's coming along. So give it a good juggle. Make sure you don't break it. Don't break it. Shake it, shake it. Go slow. Go slow. Okay. Hey. With these plastic plate brackets, there you go. You have another piece here. And we are trying to get to this piece. There you are. See? And that's all that stuff, it stays there. You don't need to touch any of that. You can have a little bit of grease once you're putting new one there. And make sure don't lose there's tiny springs in here. You just check them that they're not sitting too much down. It should be up. And once you put everything back, they're supposed to be inside. Okay guys, this is how you disassemble the starter, and this is what was behind. It goes here, takes out. Okay, I'll kind of clean the parts and then come back. Thank you.